Hello, my name is Alex Reitzma, and in this video we're going to look at how to manage and export control points from within Trimble FieldLink. We're going to look at how to label those points as control, the visual differences within Trimble FieldLink, and then how to export them as well as keying in additional control points. First, we can look on screen here and look at how the control points are labeled within Trimble FieldLink. Visually, you can see the differences. For example, this point 100 on screen has a triangle screen. Now, if you look at some of the other points, you can see it's just a circle. This may seem pretty minor, but when you're out in the field, it helps you quickly identify which points are a control point when setting up the robotic total station. Additionally, if you want to add a point as a control point, you can do that from the Create menu, and then go to the Points option. Select which point you wish to identify as a control point. Then the paper and pencil at the bottom screen opens up the option to label this as a control point. Additionally, I suggest adding this to a control layer. Hitting the Apply Edits button at the bottom makes those changes. The reason I suggest adding it to a control layer is because it allows further manipulation of the data. For example, if you had a lot of points and these control points were hard to find, you can simply turn off all the layers except for the control. Now visually on screen, you can quickly identify which control points you wish to set up on. Additionally, this helps you export. Setting these points on a control layer helps you export them easily. From within the More option, you can go to Jobs and Export, and now you have the option to filter down which points to export. Using the point list over to the right, you can add, and then you can filter by which layer. For example, you can export control points only, or you can filter multiple layers. For example, you could filter the multiple control point layers, or whichever layer you'd like to export. Adding them to the list will increase the number at the bottom. Additionally, hitting the Options button at the bottom gives you the option of where you'd like to export this to. For example, you could export to the Trimble Connect save location to sync this back to the office. Hitting Export creates a CSV or a DWG or an SKP, whichever option is selected. And that's how to manage control points from within Trimble FieldLink. If you'd like to learn more about tips and tricks, check out our YouTube channel or contact your local BuildingPoint representatives. Thanks for watching.